All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you the keyboard commands for copyright, registered, trademark, section, and Dagger. Now, keep in mind, I'm on a Mac. If you're on Windows, look at my description in the video, and I will leave the keyboard shortcuts there. But for Mac, copyright, we're going to hit Option G. Yep, not Option C, G. Um, Registered. This one actually is the one you might think. Option R. Trademark. Option 2. Section, option 6, and a dagger or footnote, we are going to do option T. That's it. Again, copyright, option G, registered, option R, trademark, option 2, section, option 6, dagger or footnote, option T, and these will be in Windows format in my description as well. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.